Hi friends, Philip here with L&M Vacations. We're at the Crowne Plaza Universal Studios, and I just wanted to give you a little bit of room tours on what the different styles of rooms are. The one that we're looking at right now is going to be a queen room, and the queen room is very spacious. It's good for two people, and then this particular room has a joining room on it as well, so you can expand it. You got a nice Keurig in there. You got a nice desk if you need to get some work done. The rooms also have little mini fridges in it as well. And best of all, they pretty much all have a great view. Alright, next we're going to jump into room 1225. This room here is a double queen, and this is good for, let's see, about 4 people. Still got, with this room, you got a little bigger bathroom. Tubs are pretty much still laid out the same. Still got your Keurig mini fridge. So one of the cool things about this property is they've set up quiet zones, and if you notice when we walked through the door, it actually said quiet zone, which means that floor or that portion of that wing is a quiet zone, and that's really neat. If you're just trying to get away and you don't want a lot of noise, that's perfect. And then best of all, look at that view. Alright, next we're going to jump into the Crowne Ballroom. This is a very large space. It can be broke down into 3 different sections. So if you are a business and you want to hold any kind of meetings or retreats, or even a large wedding, this would definitely be the area that you would want to consider renting. And again, you can just kind of see how large this space really is. Alright, next we're going to jump into the Crystal Ballroom. This ballroom is really neat. They really put a lot of thought into this room, and this is perfect for a wedding venue. If you just go ahead and take that in. And the really cool thing about this room here is it actually does empty out into the pool area. So there's actually a door over there that you can actually go out and kind of hang out with friends and family out there as well. And then this is just kind of a cool addition to that room as well. Alright, thank you for watching. This is Philip, L&M Vacations. If you have any questions on this property or would like to make a booking, our website is lmvacation.com. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks for watching.